He was crying, as if his tiny voice was his last hope. Alone, starving, a tiny abandoned kitten desperately calling for help. I took him home. I didn't even have a bottle, so I warmed some milk and gently fed him with a syringe. He drank with such eagerness, as if he hadn't eaten in a very long time.
I froze there, groceries cutting through my hands, heart louder than the traffic, afraid to move, afraid to stand. My kitten shaking in the open air, small and stubborn, claws in prayer. My kitten, did the world already bite you hard? You looked up and took my scarred hand like a promise, hand like a cast on your past.
Then I cleaned him. I put drops in his eyes, and for the first time, he was safe.
I didn't know that it was mine till your fingers found my
The next day, I bought him a bottle, and now he drinks his milk like a little champion. It's not easy, but caring for him has become a loving responsibility, and I will continue to share his story with you, because every kitten deserves a chance at life. If this story touches you, share this video. Together, we can give a second chance to many other kittens.